We're working to make access to testing easier for many Oklahomans with the voluntary testing programs in schools. This week, we officially launched the optional school testing program with OSDE in local school districts across the state. We are working together to implement free, optional, in-school COVID-19 testing through a federal grant program to help keep kids safe, healthy, and in the classroom. This program will help monitor for COVID-19 infections and catch positive cases earlier to prevent widespread infections in schools. The grant is provided through the CDC and will allow schools to order COVID-19 testing supplies and PPE. Schools will also be able to apply for reimbursement for other supplies to prevent COVID-19, such as air filtration systems, face shields, applicable staffing needs, and hygiene supplies. We give it to them. We ask them to do some random testing within their population. We don't expect that a school is going to be able to test everybody, but we do encourage them to do some random testing of their students, and then it also will allow them to test anybody that comes in that might be exhibiting some kind of symptoms, or maybe they were a contact of somebody and they need to be tested so that we can catch it early if they are positive from COVID and keep them out of the classroom. But it does involve an opt-in. So meaning the parents do have to agree to participate this with the student in order to participate in the program. No doubt we have seen COVID in the schools. We knew we were going to see that, and true to our expectations, we have seen COVID in the schools. I don't have exact numbers for you, but I think if you look at the shift in the positive cases we've seen since the beginning of August, when we were looking at maybe 17 to 18% of our new cases would be in the under 18 age group, to closer to 30%. I think it was last week, were in the under 18 group. It makes sense that we are seeing COVID spread in the schools. So anytime you get a group together, a small group, that especially one that is not vaccinated, you do have the risk of spreading COVID.